Okay, Meta's going to teach me to program Python in 10 minutes. Let's see how far we go. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes, please. 10 minutes on the clock. I've never really programmed Python, I've just played with it. So let's see what we can learn in a few minutes. I've got meta.ai on one side, just came out, pretty cool. And then I've got Repl.it over here. If you don't know what Repl.it is, it's like an online coding editor, but it uses the REPL paradigm, which is something like you write code, it executes it, then it kind of prints out the line, and then it repeats so that you can repeat it really quick. Repl.it. All right, so Meta, I'm gonna ask you, Meta, teach me to code. Code Python. I only have 10 minutes and Repl.it is open. Can we start with Hello World? Okay, so I'm clicking on Python right here. Name 10-minute Python. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, okay. So here we are. Print hello world. Oh, that's step 3. Step 1, open Repl.it. Done. Create new Python file. Main.py is there. Okay. In Repl.it, click new file, hello.py. Okay, let's try that. Right, now we're in hello.py. Write the following code. I'm just going to copy it. When you're actually doing this on your own, it's probably better to actually print it so you get that muscle memory and actually ask questions as you type things that you don't understand. And then, how do I get it to read? Well, let's just put it here for now and then click run. Hello world. Okay. But that's a good question. So my Repl.it started with main.py. How can I reference hello.py? Let's see. This is how. Okay. Now it tells you import hello from. Okay, so let's try that. Let's delete this. So it says from hello, import everything. Star usually means everything. That imports everything. If you wanted a specific function, you can just say import hello world. Okay, but let's see if this works now. Okay, now it is working. So main.py is the entry point. Goes in here. It goes and gets that, and then it runs what's in hello world. Okay. How do I make the print statement? How do I wrap the print statement in a function? Or method. What does Python call them? Because I don't know. All right, it tells us in Python. Whoa, it's scrolling fast. It's verbose. In Python, you can wrap print statement in a function by using the def keyword. Here's how. Def hello world print. Okay, let's do that. So we're in hello.py. Hope you guys are keeping up. I'm trying to go fast to keep your attention. Def. Whoops. Hello underscore world underscore. But the ultimate takeaway that I want you to come away with, there's a colon there, is that we have this whole set of tools to learn anything we want with a very patient teacher. I've never touched Python before, besides like playing around to get libraries to work and that kind of thing. So, so we've defed hello world, and then print. Python is is important that Python has, yeah, the tabs are important in Python. So it gives us an example. I could make a class of greeter. Functions are reusable blocks of code that can take arguments and return values. Arguments are what go in, return values come out. In the case of hello world function, there are no arguments, so that's why we have the parentheses that are like that. There's empty. If you want to define a function inside a class, it's called a method. So it's a function if it's not in a class, but if you have a class that does stuff, the class has methods. In this example of hello world, yada, yada, yada. First, let's just rerun this to make sure. So now that I named it, I have to actually call it here in main. So I'd call it by hello underscore world. Okay, so before it wasn't running, so now it's going to import, and it's got that function now, so I'm going to call that function here. Boom. All right. How do you, is pound how you do comments? Yes, okay. So comments are like when you're writing something and you don't want the compiler to do anything, but you want to tell the human that's reading the code what it does. Like that. So there we go. Let's run it again, make sure we're working. Okay, so what if we wanted to say, hello, Tim? How do we add a parameter? So I say I want it to say hello Tim, where Tim is passed in as a parameter. Let's see what it says. Okay, that's what I expected, but hopefully you were expecting it too. You just go to the definition in hello Pi, and then you go here and you put in the name of the parameter, and then in the print you change it to this kind of thing, hello, comma, space, and then boom, name, boom, exclamation point. And then we're going to save that, main.py. Call Fred. Let's see if it says hello Fred. Hello Fred. Okay, so Fred is passed in, and in the definition it takes Fred, puts it in this. That's a little weird though. Let's ask what that means. That F thing. What the heck does print F mean? It's an F string, formatted string. Ah, F for formatted. Cool. And then I'm guessing it does the curly brackets used to where you interleave and insert expressions. Oh, and then it gives us an even more. I'm really impressed with Meta 3, or this Llama 3, which is running this website. It's completely free. I didn't even sign in today, I don't think, on meta.ai, and you're seeing it work. It just came out yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm having a blast playing with it. It's less fussy, in my opinion, than the paid version of OpenAI's Chat GPT. GTP. PT. Pre-trained transformer. Chat GPT. Anyway, so here we are. We've got 25 seconds. So hopefully you saw how we can go in and out and in and out and in and out. I do want to leave with one more thing. Hey. Thanks for watching. Continue learning. It's going to take longer than 10 minutes to learn anything, but you've got a partner with unlimited patience for free to teach you anything you want to learn. It's a superpower, and it's one that you really need to be taking advantage of because there's so much to learn. Do it efficiently and don't struggle. Use fun tools like Repl.it and great tools like meta.ai Llama 3. Have a great day.